Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for every occasion. Today, we're diving into the Redtwo 5100 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit, which we believe is the best bracelet set for girls. Whether you're a teen looking to express your creativity or a parent wanting to keep your kids engaged with a fun craft project, this kit is a perfect choice. Let's take a closer look at what makes this kit so special. Inside the box, you'll find over 4,600 flat polymer clay beads, including 18 vibrant colors, 500 charming accessories like letter beads, heart-shaped beads, gold beads, and spacers. There's even a lobster clasp, stretchy strings, and a pair of tweezers to help you easily design your jewelry. It's a complete, all-in-one kit for making beautiful bracelets, necklaces, anklets, and more. Whether you're creating something for yourself or as a gift, the possibilities are endless with this expansive set. One of the key highlights of this kit is the high-quality, eco-friendly polymer clay beads. The beads are made from soft clay that is waterproof, skin-friendly, and safe for everyone over the age of 6. The 6 mm diameter of the clay Haisha beads, along with a 2 mm hole, makes them easy to thread and work with, ensuring that your creations stay intact. Plus, the materials are designed to last, so your bracelets won't fade after a few uses, making them perfect for everyday wear. This kit is also great for encouraging quality family time. Parents can join their kids in designing one-of-a-kind jewelry, teaching them about color combinations, design techniques, and fostering their creativity. Kids can spend hours crafting their own masterpieces, making jewelry for themselves or even for friends. It's a fun way to bond and get off screens for a while. If you're looking for the perfect gift, this kit makes an excellent choice. It's a thoughtful present for birthdays, Christmas, or any occasion where you want to give something creative and meaningful. Whether it's for a young child or an adult who loves crafting, the joy of making and gifting custom bracelets will never go out of style. You can even create matching friendship bracelets, making it a perfect gift for friends. To sum it up, the Redtwo 5100 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit is the ultimate crafting tool for anyone who loves to create unique jewelry pieces. With premium quality beads, endless design possibilities, and all the tools you need, this kit is a must-have for girls, teens, and adults alike. So if you're ready to unleash your creativity and start making beautiful jewelry, this is the kit to grab. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and recommendations. Happy crafting!